Alright, so I just wanted to make a quick video on how to change the tires on one of these Mini-Zs, these Kyosho Mini-Zs. I'm going to put some drift tires on it. These tires have been fine, but I think it's ready to put some new ones on it. So I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, but it's super simple. You're just going to take the body off and basically take my tool here, and I'm just going to hold that wheel and turn. You'll see real easily. I'm not still in my screwdriver, but you see. Take that off and just kind of show you. There we go, now it's in the frame. But anyways, the tires I got are these. Standard friction of RC drift tire. So, DS Racing. These ones had some good reviews, so I'm going to check them out. But anyways, it's nice because this is on the outside, so you know which way the tire is going to go on. But anyways, I'm just going to open this up real quick. Get my wheel down. Open up the knife real quick. Make it a lot easier to get it open. This is kind of cool. They give me like a, there we go. So low friction and your high friction. And it's showing you what this is going to do good on. And it seems as though, carbon epoxy marble tile. Okay. For wheel, I should probably pass it. So I guess you could put hot water on these for 2 minutes before install. So we'll do that. I'll go get some hot water right now. All right, got the water. Drop these in the hot water for 2 minutes. I got those in there for 2 minutes. Put that aside. But anyways, I'll start taking all these tires off. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still have a screw stuck in there. But yeah, I'm gonna be on my channel here. I'm gonna start putting some like upgrade videos and stuff like that. And then just showing how to do some general maintenance. I actually have a Mad Van by Kyosho, and I'm gonna do a live stream maybe tonight, and this video will come out the next day, but I'm gonna do a live stream on how to fix the pinion gear and to make it ready to run so that you don't ruin your gear. I saw somebody else make a video on it, so I'm gonna make another one and kind of maybe get more in depth on here and actually show it being done. But I'm learning too. I'm not the best. Like how I just flung my screw somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Somewhere around here. But yeah, I'm gonna find my screw real quick. Alright, well, I'm back. I couldn't find my screw. It shot off somewhere. But I'll go ahead and finish showing you how to do this tire. So it's super simple. You just put your finger, see how I've already kind of pushed it out a little bit, but you just go on the rim side out and you just push like that with your finger. No need to jack it up with a tool or anything like that. That's it. And then I'm gonna hold that like that. Grab one of my new new tires. And same thing. So the opposite direction. Make sure I'm going the right way. Yep. And even sometimes with these, you can kind of just go down on it and push. I'm trying to get it in so it's straight. If you don't get it perfect, like you'll see, like if it's like that, it's not going to go on, but if you get it in the perfect position, I should be able to just smush down on it. This one's not going now. Let's see. We'll get it. We will get it. But yeah, I have no idea where my screw went. It was on this mat. There we go. And because this mat is so black, I couldn't see the screw. But yeah, I just got it on right and just kept pushing it. It's on there perfect now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you one more. There's the old tire. But we'll do one more. So, like I was saying, you just put this on, hold the wheel, lefty-loosey. And then don't lose your screw. Please don't lose your screw. I really wanted to use this tonight. And I don't think, yeah, the screw's off. This one, I'm just leaving on the screwdriver for right now. Okay, same thing. Just come rim, push with your thumb. That's it. Super easy. The hardest part, honestly, is these wheels. Maybe it's because my water cooled down a little bit. But, yeah, let's see if we can just... Yeah, there we go. That one went right on. But, yeah, that's how you do it. And then, of course, you just want to make sure that it's even. This one looks good. So, just gonna push out a little more just to make sure. And then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of clean some of this dust and crop off of here. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Same thing, just hold the wheel. Righty-tighty. Now I think, there we go. All right, that one's good. And we'll take off one of these back wheels. But you get the idea. Super, super easy. There's that little tiny thing in there. Nice little pull. So much dust. All right, so there we go. Push. Outside of the rim. Take a new tire. See if we can do this by just... Last time I did this, you could just pop it real quick. But apparently these ones are not as easy. man, this one's real tough. All right, you just get it on there at the right angle. I've noticed if you kind of do a little twist, it helps a little. Not that much though. All right. I'll get this last one on here. Oh, I guess technically I have another one. This one's definitely giving me some problems. Let's try this other tire. Yeah, that one went on, no problem. All right. There you go. Another one done. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. And then, of course, make sure you clean all this dust and stuff out of here. And when you're putting these on, you'll see there's like a little groove on here. You can kind of see it, but you just line it up with the way that is. You'll kind of feel it snap and go. Just go till it's tight. There we go. Man, those look so much better though. I really like them. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. Where did I just throw that? But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. Just showing how to change the tires on these things. And you know, just to give you kind of a size idea, if the red's helping you, you can kind of see that that slot that I was talking about. Sometimes you put a little red next to some black and it makes the black pop more. But yeah, but that's the easiest way to change the tire on these Mini-Zs. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any other suggestions. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. The next one we're going to be doing, I'm going to be bringing this guy out. It's big. Get the camera angle a little better. I'm going to be bringing this guy out, and we're going to get it ready so that the pinion gear, I think that's what it is, does not get stripped. But we'll see. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.